Yes, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can recover the deleted video from TikTok. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up the TikTok app. Then you have to go to your profile. So after going to profile, as you can see, I'm going to delete this video. Then I will show you that how you can recover it. Okay. So after deleting the video, you can see I have deleted the video. Then you have to go click on this three dot bar icon. After that, you have to go to on settings and privacy. After going to settings and privacy, what you need to do, you have to scroll it a little bit and you have to click on activity center here. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to this option, you have to click on recently deleted. Then you will find the deleted video of yours. Then you have to click on the video. After that, you will see an option called restore. You have to click on it. Then you have to click on restore again. You have to confirm that. Then your video will be recovered. As you can see, after that you have to refresh your TikTok ID. Then as you can see, the video already recovered on my channel, on my profile. So this is how you can recover the deleted video from TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.